So I actually get this comment here all the time. Windshield mount radar detector versus stealth installed system. Let's talk about it. So first and foremost, there's a big misconception anytime I post one of my stealth installed system. A lot of people mistake and know the windshield mount radar detector, how they typically have a display on the front. A lot of people see the custom installs that I do where they're installed into the dash, and they mistake this display for me installing a physical windshield mount radar detector inside their dash. What we're doing is we're actually using the fully installed stealth system by Uniden. So this is the R9W, this is the R8W. This is a windshield mount, this is a fully installed kit. So I'm going to show you and break down the differences right here. A lot of you are probably familiar with the windshield mount radar detector. It's cool, it's easy, you can move it from car to car, but the problem is cops can see it in your windshield. It's not stealth, it's not hidden, and guess what? It doesn't help you against lidar. So there's radar and there's lidar. Lidar, or laser, is going to be a light being emitted from a certain type of gun, lidar gun. And that is going to hit the front of your car and immediately go back to the cop's gun, allowing him to get your speed. Guess what? If you don't have jammers, then you're not going to help yourself avoid that speeding ticket. This is only going to detect radar, and it's going to detect speed light cameras, red light cameras, but again, only radar. Radar is a progressive signal. You can pick it up from up to a mile away in most cases, and this will do exactly that and help you avoid those tickets from a radar gun. If you're driving on a road during the day and a cop hits you with a gun and this thing's not going off, guess what? You've been hit with laser or lidar. This can detect laser, but it's not going to defend against laser or lidar. That cop will already have your signal, and that will already be back at the gun. So that's where something like this comes in handy. Don't get me wrong, this is very convenient. You can just throw it up on your windshield, call it a day, plug it in, take it from car to car. Something like this will range as high as $800 or so. You can also do some fully installed kits. You can put the control pad closer to your fingertips rather than reaching up to the windshield. But again, great use for something that's a grab and go, just throw it up on the windshield. Now, let's talk about the R9W. With 3 boxes of parts, box 1, box 2, and box 3. Box 1 is going to have your CPU, your GPS antenna, your control pad, and your LCD display. People often see this small display that can be custom installed anywhere. We've done a lot of cool things integrating this in like a factory option, but a lot of people often mistake this for the face of the windshield mount radar detector. No, the radar detector is not mounted in the dash itself. Those radar receivers are mounted in the front and rear of the bumper. Box 2 is going to have your radar receivers in there. And just take a look at this for size comparison. Your radar receiver on the R9 kit is as big as the entire windshield mount of the R8W. And guess what? You have 2 of these, one for the front, one for the rear. So obviously you're going to have much better range on something like this, especially because it's not only mounted outside of the car, it's mounted in the bumper as opposed to inside the car behind a windshield, but you have a front and a rear version of this receiver. Now, for the physical shifters, they look like this. You don't have shifters with this. Again, these are going to come with the R9 kit only, and there's going to be 6 of them. So you can configure that however you may on the front and rear of your car, whether you put 4 in the front, 2 in the back, 3 in the front, 3 in the back. All of these are going to help you against the lidar guns. So this is going to be a full, complete solution against any threat that's out there on the road, period. Look at this. When people are asking, why is the R9W so much more expensive than the R8? Again, the R8, just a lick and stick windshield mount radar detector. The R9 is going to have front, rear radar receiver, 6 laser jammers, bridge box to configure all the laser jammers, all of your cabling, your control pad, your LCD display, the CPU, the GPS antenna. Just in optics alone, this is a lot of money in optics. Optics are not cheap, period. That's why you can never find anything with laser jammers for super cheap. If you want good quality stuff, it's going to be good quality optics, and that is going to help you defeat speeding tickets. For the R9W, just the electronics, it's about $4 grand. For the R8W, it's about $799. So again, that's going to be the price difference. And then obviously there's no labor involved with something like this. You just stick it to your windshield. This has to be fully installed into the vehicle. So there is going to be labor added onto this. Whether it's a simple install that's around 2 days, a more integrated stealth install, which is around 5 days, that is going to be the differential in labor time. So that is your breakdown of a windshield mount versus the full R9W system. So let me know in the comments if you already own a system, what brand, what do you got, how's it installed, and then for all my guys out there still raw dogging, what are you doing, right? Your parents had this conversation with you when you were younger. Now it's time for me to have that conversation with you. Get protected. It's easy. This is legal in 39 states. What are you waiting for?